Dear students, I know that your vacations have started and you are eager to do something in your vacation. So here is a chance for you to learn mathematics through my online maths hobby course. You will see some exciting mathematical activities throughout the summer vacation in my channel Maths Made Easy with VAIBHAV Kulkarni. The activities are for all classes from 6th to 10th. We know that a squared minus b squared is always equal to a plus b into a minus b. We have already studied it. Today, my students Anjali, Sarde, Vaishnavi Patil, they will give you the geometrical proof of a squared minus b squared. How exactly that formula of a squared minus b squared will arrive, that we are going to see with the help of this toy.
This is the square of side A. The area of this square will be a square, and this, when we cut a small portion from this square of side B, the area of this square will be b square. Then the remaining area will be a square minus b square. When we cut out the portion of marked line, we get, this is the side of A and this is the side of B. When we remove this square, we got this line. The length of this line will be a minus b. This will be remain as same a. This will be a, and this will be also a minus b. So when we remove this area and we arrange in the form of this, so we get a rectangle. Then the area of this rectangle will be a plus b, rectangle will be a minus b. So the area of the rectangle is length into breadth, so it will be a plus b into a minus b. So we have the remaining portions area a square minus b square. We get a plus b and into a minus b.
Let me put it in simple words. See what these two girls want to say. Here is the square of side A and area a square. A small portion b square is cut out of it. So this is the small portion of length b is cut out of it. It is also in the form of a square. So area of the small portion will be b square. Now when I cut out this portion, this b square part is separated. Then what we get is this length will be a minus b, and this length as it is a, this is also a, but this is a minus b. So these two portions that are cut out we can see it here. The portion, very good, thank you. So this portion is a minus b, this is a, and this is b. Now this cut portion, we can place it here and I can show it to you. So this is a minus b and this is a minus b, and b square is the part that is separated. These two portions, now when I try to arrange it, I will get the form of a rectangle. You can see here, it forms a rectangle. It can be clearly seen. So this rectangular part is there. Now this is of length A, this is of length B. So this portion will be of A plus B, and this portion is A minus B. Now we all know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So that means A plus B into A minus B. So the area of this A squared minus B square, it will be A plus B into A minus B. So this is the geometrical proof of a squared minus b squared. The identity that we study. A squared minus b squared is always equal to a plus b into a minus